Hi, Scott Young here. I hope you're doing well. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing when you don't have any money. And a lot of people have this as a stumbling block because they think they can't get started in business in affiliate marketing if they don't have any money to put into advertising and things like that. But the reality is that this is really one of the only businesses where you don't really have to have any money to get started because the tools and the platforms are all free. So if you know the right strategy, the right approach, you could totally start to make a good and reliable income fairly soon by using free methods. And so that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But before we get started, if you want to know what my #1 recommendation is for making money online, I'm going to drop a link below this video in the description, and you can check it out and see what you think of it. All right, so let's jump into it. Now, first of all, let me tell you a little bit about my story. I had some money when I first started getting into affiliate marketing, but the problem is I didn't have the right strategy. So I was blowing money on solo ads and some Facebook marketing, and I just didn't really know how those things work. And I later realized that solo ads are a terrible way to get started. You're basically throwing your money away. And Facebook ads, a lot of people are successful at them, but they do take some skill, and it's not really a newbie friendly type of thing. But there are some other methods which are super newbie friendly, and I'm going to tell you about those. Now, the first thing you have to realize, though, is get a certain mindset correct, because without this right mindset, you're going to get frustrated. And that is this, that when you are starting a business, you are either going to invest time, or you're going to invest money, or you're going to invest both. A lot of people invest time and money if they have that. But if you don't have money to invest, you're going to need to be ready to invest some time into building the business and into doing what you are going to do with affiliate marketing. So I spent money on mentorship and training myself. I had some money and I spent that on getting some really good training, and that has really fast forwarded me in my success. But it's not totally necessary. You could do this for free. It's just going to take a little bit more time. So you need to have that mindset ready to go with that. Okay, so if you go the time route, then you know that you are going to need to find the right resources that are free, and you need to be resourceful in everything you do, because if you don't have the money to buy all the fancy tools and to spend money on ads and all that sort of stuff, you're gonna have to be really resourceful to find the free methods and the free way to do things, and so that you could build up this business, and then in the future when you have money you can spend it on some of the more robust tools that are out there. All right, so the three essential tools that you will need as an affiliate marketer, these are just the absolute three that you need, are a capture page and an email autoresponder and a tracking system. It's really pretty basic. If you have those three tools, you will really be on the road to success once you put the other elements of traffic and the other things I'm going to tell you about. Now, what is a capture page? A capture page is basically just a small single web page that you send your traffic to collect their email address. And this doesn't even need to be on your own website or your own domain. You could use one of the landing page, capture page creator websites like ClickFunnels and a few other ones like that. But I'm going to tell you about a free resource right now. Now, let me tell you first that the second thing you'll need is an email autoresponder. Email autoresponder is once you capture the email from the landing or capture page, it goes into this database, which is your email autoresponder. And from there, you will have emails that are automatically going out to your leads maybe once a day or once every couple of days with valuable content, and that's where you will tell them about your product that you are recommending to them. Now, here is an awesome thing. There are a lot of free auto-responding emails and a lot of free capture page building softwares out there. But the awesome thing is that there are several of them that combine these into one. So for example, MailChimp is a very popular email autoresponder service, and they have a level for a certain amount of subscribers that's totally free. Now, included in that, they've started including in that a free capture page builder. And in fact, they have lots of templates in there where you could just download one of their templates, edit it a little bit to make it unique, and you've got a capture page that feeds directly into your email autoresponder. Now, Aweber also has the same thing. Aweber has a bunch of free templates, and they have a free plan up to, I think it's 5,000 subscribers, might be 1,000, that allows you to do the capture page and the email autoresponder in one place, and makes it super easy to integrate, and it's totally free, so you can get started on that at any point. And then lastly, you're going to want to be resourceful and do some searching for some conversion or opt-in tracking tools and websites. So one of them is anytrack.io. That one is free up to a certain number of volume that you do through there, but it's totally going to be fine for when you're starting out. And then once you start making some sales, you can invest in one that's more robust or bump up to the next plan. So really, all three of those tools that you absolutely need are totally free, especially when you're starting out and you don't have a big list, you don't have a bunch of traffic that's coming through just yet. All right. Now, once you have your free autoresponder and you've got that capture page, which is included with the autoresponder, and you've got your tracking system, the next thing you're going to want to do is get some leads. You're going to want to drive some traffic into this, what they call a sales funnel, so you can start generating leads and generating income. So, you know, there are lots of free ways to do that. You know, a lot of people use Facebook groups. For example, you just Google generate leads through Facebook groups, and maybe even go onto YouTube and search that. You'll get some tutorials, and that's a fine way to do it. You could join a bunch of groups, start posting valuable content, interact with people, and send them your affiliate link. Or you could start your own Facebook group and get people in there. You own the group. You could you know, pin certain articles to the top of certain videos that talk about your affiliate offer. And there's a lot of powerful ways that you can do that. The only problem is it's a little more difficult to scale up, because, you know, once you've joined a good number of groups, you know, if you want to really scale it to the next level, you're sort of limited by your time and the number of groups out there, really, that you have the ability to join. So that can be a good way to start. But really, to me, the number one way to get free traffic, free leads, is through video, whether that's YouTube or TikTok or Facebook Live. It is an amazingly powerful way to get leads. So you don't even have to show your face. You could just do screen shares and kind of talk over what you're looking at, the websites, or, you know, have a PowerPoint presentation put together that you're just showing, and then you're voicing over that and talking about that. It's a wonderful way to get started. Now, when you're doing these videos, you don't really need to say a whole lot. You just need to teach one or two simple little things and provide some value to the people who are watching. And in fact, if you don't know a lot about your niche, a lot of times what you could do is go out and just search for articles that are about your niche, and then you kind of summarize what you learned in that article into one or two things and simply explain it in the video. It's really amazing, and it's really powerful. So the point is, you can get unlimited leads for free using video, and then within the video or in your bio or in the description area, you put a link to your affiliate offer, and in the video you simply, no pressure, recommend that product to the people who are viewing, and a certain percentage of them will check it out, and a certain percentage of those will buy, and you start making money through this method. So really, let's recap here. So you've searched for and you've set up a free autoresponder, and that free autoresponder has capture page templates built right into it. And you've researched and you found out a good tracking system so you can see where your leads are coming from and where you should focus your attention. And next, you've started making some videos, you know, just 3-minute videos teaching one or two little things, and maybe work on uploading 3 to 5 per week so you get some real traction on these platforms. And really, it doesn't matter how bad the videos are when you start, because you will get better. You know, one of my favorite Zig Ziglar quotes is, anything worth doing is worth doing poorly until you get better at it. So start really awful. Just put them out there, and you will get better after you get video after video done. And as you get those videos done, the traffic is going to start building, your confidence is going to start building, and your sales and your profits are going to start building. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm always putting out new content, tips and tricks and hacks that are helping you in your business. And so subscribe to the channel. Again, if you'd like to see my #1 pick for making money online right now, check the link below this video in the description and see what you think of it. All right, take care.